Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be unboxing the Elgato HD60X. I've been wanting to get my hands on this device for quite a while now, and I finally pulled the trigger. If you are interested in this product as well, I will leave a link to it in my description. So starting with the front of the box, we got the system right here, or the recording device. We got a 4K 60 pass-through, records at 1080p at 60 frames per second, and optimized for the PlayStation 5 and Xbox. Over on the right-hand side, you got a couple of features there: high frame rate pass-through, ultra low latency, HDR10 capture, and then you got some tone mapping, audio input, and USB 3.0 interface. And then in the box, you get the game capture device, you get USB 3.0 C to A cable, and you got an HDMI 2.0 cable, which is great for most devices. Over on the back, again, some more features on the Elgato, showing you the inputs of the device as well. And then it works with both Windows and Mac. And then on the right-hand side, on this side of the box, not too much there: game capture, HD60X, and then made of 60% repurposed plastic, and the packaging is plastic free, which is nice. And that's pretty much a tour of the box itself, but let's go ahead and unbox it, which is what you're here for. All right, so I am pretty excited to unbox this device. If you are following my channel, you'll know that I've been recording a lot of PlayStation 2 gameplay, and I've been using this budget HDMI video capture card here that you get for about $10, and it isn't the greatest device, but it gets the job done. So I'm really excited to test this one here. So we got that packaging out there. Gotta pop this open. Don't want to damage. Oh, there it is. Just pops open like that. All right, open up the box. Let's see here. Oh wow, that's pretty nice. Okay, we'll leave that off to the side there. Pretty nice packaging for a game capture device. Gonna open this up here. All right, so right there, again, some more details about the Elgato system. And then we got this paper over here, and there it is, the game capture device itself. It's small, it's sleek, it's about the size of an external hard drive, very lightweight. There you got the audio input jack, and then on the bottom, on the other side here, you got the HDMI out, the HDMI in, and then the USB-C cable. Got some nice padding on the bottom of it so that it sits nice and sturdy on your desk. We'll set that aside there, and then here you got the USB-C to USB 3.0 device. So this is what's going to allow you to record your gameplay through the Elgato. This will plug into the Elgato, and this will plug into your computer. And then over here, we have the HDMI cable. So you'll go ahead and plug this in to the Elgato system, and then this will plug in to your PlayStation. So that's great over here. And then we got a sticker here for the Elgato, which is pretty cool. And then we got this little manual as well. So I believe that's it. Nothing else in the box, but I gotta say, pretty nice packaging for a game capture device. And go ahead and set that off to the side. And here is the actual Elgato system. Again, really sleek design. If you guys are interested in this product, I will leave a link to it in my description. And again, I will be testing out this product thoroughly over the next couple of weeks and posting videos about that, and even showing some of the gameplay I record on my PlayStation 2 and my Nintendo Switch, and possibly the PlayStation 5 as well. So if you guys are interested in those videos, don't forget to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss out. And with that, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.